What's the meaning of baby boom? Baby boom. Baby boom.
Baby boom. Baby boom. Baby boom refers to a significant increase in the birth rate following a period of relative stability or decline. It typically occurs after a major historical event, such as a war or economic depression, and can result in a large cohort of individuals born within a specific time frame. The most well-known baby boom occurred in the aftermath of World War II, with significant consequences for society and the economy. This generation has had a lasting impact on everything from politics to popular culture and continues to shape social trends and attitudes.